black tiger, the most transcendent shrimp species, is one of the significant charms in the Bangladesh shrimp industry. These quality shrimps have been exported all over the world for the last few decades. This delicious seafood has been facing a plethora of obstacles from the nature as well as human beings.
যখন পলিতে আসে তখন মাছটা চিকন বা ছোট, যখন এরা নাচছেন করবে তখন মাছটা মোটা হবে বা বড় হবে। এজন্য এই মাছটা ঘেরে দিলে টেকসই হবে। আর ডাইরেক্ট পোনাটা যখন আমরা ঘেরে ছাড়বো তখন সেই মাছটা টেকসই হবে না। এই জন্য ও মাছটা আমরা বেশি করে ছাড়ি। আর যখন আমরা হিসারের থেকে নেই সেই পোনাটা একটু অল্প নেই, কেননা এই মাছটা আমরা জানি এই মাছটা শক্ত, মিস হবে না। আর আমরা যখন ডাইরেক্ট মাছটা নেব তখন দেখা যাচ্ছে এই মাছটা মিস হবে, মাছটা নরম।
Satkira of Khulna region exports 70% of the total shrimps of Bangladesh in 3,650 shrimp farms. 80% farmers are women.
এইবার দেখা যায় 71 দিন প্রথম আটল দিলে হয়তো 1.5 কেজি মাছ হয়। এবার হওয়ার পরে এই মাছটা বিলি থলি পাটি আছে, ওনারা আমাদের কাছ থেকে সংগ্রহ করে কিনে নিয়ে যায়। এইবার তারপরের দিন যে এই মাছ কম পাওয়া যায়, এইবার এই মাছ নিয়ে তো আমার সেটে যাওয়া সম্ভব, বাজারে ঘাটে যাওয়া সম্ভব।
The lion's share of the profit is being relished by the middlemen. Over the years, farmers are being deprived of the actual gain. A huge amount of raw materials are being wasted due to inappropriate cold chain management. The sector has been extremely stymied by climate change and various types of natural calamities. Lack of quality seeds and other inputs coupled with traditional farming method disrupts the production. ACI's mission is to enrich the quality of life of the people through responsible application of knowledge, technology and skills. To pursue this mission, ACI Agro Limited has established a shrimp processing plant in the middle of the Black Tiger shrimp production area in Satkira, Bangladesh. The 43,000 square feet EU standard factory is equipped with advanced refrigeration system, IQF, water treatment plant and an energy efficient cooling system throughout the production process. The southern coastal region of Bangladesh is one of the most climate vulnerable areas in the world. Due to saline water, millions of smallholder farmers face risks to their livelihoods. Salt-tolerant alternatives to rice production, like shrimp farming, have become important for this vulnerable group to sustain themselves and their families. However, low farm productivity coupled with access to finance, access to quality seed, and lack of market linkage programs are undermining the sustainability of this sector. Now, we want to improve the situation of the shrimp farmers, aiming to build a climate-resilient, sustainable shrimp supply chain by introducing new farming methods, development of contract farming models, engaging in capacity building and establishment of robust backward linkages, thus ensuring more money for their yield. Over the next few years, this project is seeking to bring 18,750 hectares of farmland under sustainable management, increase smallholder farmers' income by 15%, create 10,000 jobs and indirectly benefit 30,000 people in the Delta. Additionally, ACI Agro Link opens up the Bangladesh shrimp industry to international markets, making the country less dependent on the garments industry. ACI Agro Link, enriching the life of the farmers through forward market linkage.